Hello, 8th graders. Alright, so we are on week 6 out of 7. We're almost done. We have a little bit of a track, so I'm going to do this video for week 6 and 7 together. So week 6, you are to watch any of the review videos on chapter 9, and basically anything on this page, which would be chapter 9, you could review, and they would help you, okay? And then you are to do the chapter 9 review, big ideas, and then the chapter 9 review worksheet that is on Canvas right here. Okay, that will all be due Monday, May 11th at 8:30 a.m. And then for the last week, or last week's kind of short because you have to turn in your iPads and everything soon. So your last week, you'll do a self-reflection. It is open now. If you want to get it out of the way, that'd be awesome. It will be due instead of the following Monday. It will be due that Tuesday. So Monday, May 11th, these two are due, and then Monday or Tuesday, May 12th, the self-reflection is due. And then on Wednesday, if you have any catch-up work that you need to get done, you need to get that to me before 4 o'clock on Wednesday, or else I will not be accepting it. It will be done, okay? All right, well, that is for this week. Let's have a great week.